As I think about my fieldwork intervention assignment, the area that I would like to work with is, and the one that I see most frequently, would be the academic and cognitive. I work in a mild to moderate special education class, but the class that I actually teach, I'm in charge of the Learning Center and the one study skills class. And with both Learning Center and study skills, a lot of my work that I do is sitting with students and helping them to better understand the instruction and the assignments according to their understanding. So I might sit down and have three students doing the same assignment and have to give them instruction three different ways. I might have to verbally tell one, I might have to write down the instructions for another, and I might have to visually show another student. And so all day long, I am helping students to understand through their cognitive thinking how to process to be successful in their academics. Evidence-based practices that I used for this, like I said, traditionally I look at what the student says and what the student needs. There are so many times that I use visuals in the Learning Center, and instantly the students will understand it and it'll click. So visual supports is something that I've really tried to get a better understanding of through these courses that I've taken, so that I could help students with autism and support them more successfully with visual support. Now, how do I plan to ensure fidelity of implementation? That's actually pretty easy. When students come into the Learning Center, we work one-on-one. I often see the same students on testing. I often see the same students certain periods of the day. So like second period, I have the same three students come to me every day, just because they're able to get a better understanding of their work here and they know that they have access to it. Another way is through my study skills class. There's multiple interventions that I can put into place without the students realizing it's just for them. It's a smaller class setting. I think I am up to about 6 students in my study skills class. And so I can easily work every day. I work one-on-one with the students. I'm trying to help them get their missing assignments turned in or trying to get their grades caught up. So it's not uncommon for me to work one-on-one with students. So as I implement an evidence-based practice for just a specific student to meet a specific need, none of the other students would probably even catch on because it's something that we already do in the classroom. Yeah, with language and communication, I just, even though I do work with it, it's not at the forefront of my school setting at this time. I'm not teaching a reading intervention class or anything like that I might see a higher number of EL students in. So right now I'm really interested in the cognitive and academic aspect of this fieldwork intervention assignment.